Did you know that Apple is preparing to take on ChatGPT and other AI powerhouses with a completely new Siri app? That's right, just days ago, a leaked preview of Apple's upcoming Siri app revealed some serious upgrades. Think of it like a smartphone with a brain that's not only smart, but also incredibly intuitive. The new app isn't just about voice commands anymore. It's about making Siri feel like a personal assistant who knows your habits, preferences, and even your mood. Imagine a Siri that can write emails, plan your day, and even help you learn new skills, all without you having to type a single word. This is no longer just a voice assistant. It's a full-fledged AI companion. And here's where it gets interesting. Apple is not just competing with ChatGPT. They're aiming to outdo it with features that could change how we interact with AI forever. The AI arms race is heating up, and Apple is clearly not sitting on the sidelines. Companies like OpenAI, with their ChatGPT, and Google with their Bard, are pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. But Apple has been quietly working on something big, a new Siri app that's more than just a voice assistant. Think of it as the evolution of Siri, now with a smarter, more responsive AI. This isn't just about better voice recognition. It's about creating a more human-like assistant that can understand context, learn from your behavior, and even anticipate your needs. The stakes are high because Apple is trying to position itself as a major player in the AI space, not just a smartphone company. And here's the twist nobody expected. Apple's new Siri app is rumored to use a completely new AI architecture that could outperform current models like ChatGPT in specific tasks. This is the kind of innovation that could change the game for everyone involved. So what exactly is inside Apple's new Siri app that makes it such a big deal? Let's break it down. The app features a new AI engine that Apple is calling Siri Neural Core, a system designed to handle complex tasks like writing code, creating art, and even solving math problems. This is a massive upgrade from the current Siri, which is limited to basic commands and responses. The new AI engine is also more context-aware, meaning it can understand the full conversation, not just individual sentences. For example, if you say, "I need to book a flight to Paris next week," Siri won't just search for flights. It will remember that conversation and follow up with, "Would you like me to book a hotel as well?" It's like having a personal assistant who's always listening and learning. And here's what the headlines aren't telling you. Apple is also integrating a new feature that allows Siri to generate creative content, like writing stories or composing music. This is a game changer for users who want more than just a voice assistant. They want a true AI partner. Let's take a look at how the new Siri app would actually work in real life. Imagine you're working on a project and need help. You ask Siri, "Can you help me write a report on climate change?" Instead of just giving you a generic answer, Siri would generate a detailed report with data, statistics, and even suggested references. It's like having a research assistant at your fingertips. Or say you're planning a trip. You tell Siri, "I want to go to Tokyo next month." Siri would not only search for flights and hotels, but also suggest things to do, restaurants to try, and even the best times to visit. This level of personalization is unprecedented in voice assistants. Think of it as a personal concierge that knows your preferences and habits. And here's the thing that changes everything. Apple's new Siri app is also designed to work seamlessly across all Apple devices, from your iPhone to your Mac and even your Apple Watch. This integration is what makes it stand out from competitors like ChatGPT, which are more limited in their device compatibility. Now, how does Apple's new Siri app stack up against ChatGPT? Let's do a quick comparison. ChatGPT is known for its ability to generate human-like text, answer complex questions, and even write code. But it's not always personalized. It's more of a general-purpose AI that works across many platforms. On the other hand, Apple's new Siri app is designed to be deeply integrated with your personal data and devices. It knows your calendar, your emails, your location, everything that makes your daily life unique. So, while ChatGPT is like a universal knowledge base, Siri is like a personal assistant who knows your habits and preferences. Think of it as the difference between a textbook and a personal tutor. The new Siri app is also more focused on privacy. Since it's all within the Apple ecosystem, your data stays on your devices, not in the cloud. And here's what most people miss. Apple is also working on a new feature that allows Siri to learn from your behavior over time, making it even more accurate and helpful. This is the kind of innovation that could make Siri a serious competitor in the AI space. So what does this mean for everyday users? Well, it means that Apple is making a bold move to position Siri as a true AI assistant, not just a voice command tool. This could change the way we interact with our devices forever. Imagine a world where your phone doesn't just respond to your commands, but actually anticipates your needs. It could schedule meetings for you, remind you of important dates, and even help you manage your time more efficiently. This level of personalization is something that's been missing from voice assistants for a long time. And here's the part most people overlook entirely. Apple's new Siri app is also designed to be more ethical and transparent. Unlike some AI assistants that collect and sell user data, Siri will keep your information private and secure. This is a major selling point for users who are concerned about their privacy. With Apple's strong stance on user data, this could be a game changer in the AI space. It's not just about being smart, it's about being responsible. Now that we know what Apple's new Siri app can do, let's walk through how to use it. First, you'll need to update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS, which includes the new Siri app. Once you've done that, open the app and enable the Siri Neural Core feature. This will allow Siri to access your calendar, emails, and other personal data. Next, you can start asking Siri questions or giving it commands. For example, you can say, "Hey Siri, schedule a meeting with John at 3 p.m. tomorrow." Siri will then check your calendar and suggest available time slots. You can also ask Siri to write emails, create to-do lists, or even help you learn new skills. The app is designed to be intuitive, so it should feel natural to use. And here's the kicker: Apple is also adding a new feature that allows Siri to learn from your behavior over time. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes. This is the kind of AI that could truly revolutionize the way we interact with our devices. Apple's new Siri app is more than just a minor update. It's a bold step into the future of AI. With its new AI engine, personalization features, and privacy-focused design, Siri is set to become one of the most powerful AI assistants on the market. This could mark the beginning of a new era in AI, where assistants are not just tools, but true companions that understand and learn from us. The implications are huge, not just for Apple, but for the entire tech industry. This is the kind of innovation that could change how we live, work, and interact with technology. And here's the final thought: Apple is not just competing with ChatGPT, they are redefining what an AI assistant can do. This is the future of AI, and it's already here.